Ultimate Off-Grid Generator, top performer for 2023 HY. My name is Weber. When I discovered the Ultimate Off-Grid Generator, I was immediately interested in learning more. The Ultimate Off-Grid Generator is a solar power generation system that allows you to produce your own energy, even if you're not connected to the electricity grid. The system consists of solar panels, an inverter, and a battery. The solar panels capture sunlight and convert it into electricity, which is then stored in the battery. The inverter converts the electricity from the battery into alternating current, which can be used to power your electrical appliances. I decided to buy the Ultimate Off-Grid Generator for several reasons. First, I wanted to reduce my dependence on the electricity grid. Secondly, I wanted to save money on my electricity bill. Thirdly, I wanted to do my bit to protect the environment. Since installing the Ultimate Off-Grid Generator, my life has changed dramatically. Firstly, I no longer have to worry about blackouts. Secondly, my electricity bill has halved. Thirdly, I feel much better knowing that I'm helping the environment. The Ultimate Off-Grid Generator is a very easy-to-use product. Installation is simple and only takes a few hours. The system is also very reliable and has a long service life. If you're looking for a way to reduce your dependence on the electricity grid, save money on your electricity bill, and do your bit to protect the environment, the Ultimate Off-Grid Generator is the perfect solution for you. Other points I think are important. The Ultimate Off-Grid Generator is a sustainable and environmentally friendly solution. It allows you to produce your own energy, which helps to reduce your carbon footprint. The system is very versatile and can be used in a variety of applications, including homes, businesses, and camping. The Ultimate Off-Grid Generator is a great option for those who live in remote areas or where the electricity grid is unreliable. I hope this testimonial has been useful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. The link to test the service is in the description below. Stay with God and see you next time.